Usually, most of us, we experience a funny situation with friends. We find them snoring while we are sleeping, and that causes a terrible noise in the rooms. That's really a funny thing, and people start to laugh about it. But when you know the background of that, what's behind of that, then I think you have to think twice before you start to laugh. Usually we do it two level, either at home, they take a machine with them home and they just hook themselves with that, and that next morning they bring it back to us and we can watch some of the data of their sleep. But other group of people, option, usually breathing assistant device, we call it a CPAP machine. Some other minor groups, we can recommend them some kind of oral appliances. Just put something in the mouth which can push the lower jaw in front a little bit, and that will open up what's blockage behind. Other groups, they might get benefit from sleep hygiene program, just instruction, what to do, what not to do. We have a lot of patients. They were very miserable. They had very miserable life, very bad relation.